Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we shall learn month of the year. Month of the year is signs month of the year. Now, the month of the year comes in the calendar, and as you all know, the calendar normally has a hinge, and then we flip it or we open it this way. So, the same idea, first of all, we shall use C, that is the first letter of the word calendar. We place it here, this flat palm facing up, and we send it to the back to have calendar. So this is called initialized sign. Now, in this video, we are going to have two major activities. The first one is to spell abbreviations of month of the year, and then the second one is to give the actual signs. Shall we begin? January, the abbreviation is spelled Jan, and the sign January. February is spelled Feb, and the sign is February. March is spelled Mar, and the sign is March. April is spelled Apr, and the sign is A ending with P for April. May is spelled May, and the sign is M ending with Y. Now June is spelled Jun, and the sign is J ending with N. Now July is spelled Jul, and the sign is J ending with L. The abbreviation for August is spelled Aug, and the sign is A, sending it to the back here for August. September is spelled Sep, and the sign, the fifth or S here, and then sent to the back for September. October is spelled Oct, and the sign with the O will say October. November is spelled Nov, and the sign N here to the back for November. December is spelled Dec, and the sign for this abbreviation or December is December. Now, let's go all over the signs again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and then December. Thank you for watching.